Hi, this is Chef Yogesh, Executive Chef from the Svenska Design Hotel in Mumbai. Welcome to your favorite cooking channel. Today what we're going to see is another Indo-Chinese recipe is chicken Manchurian. What we need for the chicken Manchurian today is we have some chopped chicken, which is a chicken supreme, and we have some chopped garlic, we have some chopped ginger, couple of eggs just for binding, carrot, chopped one, chopped green chilies, chopped pepper, chopped cabbage, chopped spring onions for garnish, some soy sauce, some corn flour for thickening and for binding the chicken balls, salt, pepper, and a little bit of aromat powder. Now let's go, we're going to start making chicken Manchurian. So we got some chopped chicken here, little bit of chopped garlic, little bit of chopped ginger, little bit of chopped chilies. If you want it spicy, you can add it a little more extra. Some of the chopped spring onions. We're going to need some egg in that. We're going to break one egg. Beat it a little. If you're more health conscious, you can use even egg white in that instead of using the yolk. Drop little egg just for binding. A little bit of aromat, a little bit of salt, some of the crushed black pepper, and just for binding you can add a little dry corn flour. The egg will give it a moisture and the corn flour will bind it together. We'll have to put a little bit of more corn flour just to get a good binding of it. Let's fry these chicken balls. As we see that the chicken balls are getting color, it is getting a little bit of brownish. It is cooking itself. So that's why it is very important to have the oil little on the medium flame, not extra hot. There you go, nice and crispy chicken balls are ready for chicken Manchurian. Once the chicken ball is ready now, let's make the sauce for the chicken Manchurian. For that what we need is a wok. You can use even a non-stick frying pan, a little bit of oil. Make sure you season your wok so that it doesn't stick anything to that. For the Manchurian sauce, let's go on adding the things. Chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, a little bit of chopped carrots, just for color, chopped cabbage, once you're done with that, add a little pepper, a little bit of salt, and again a little bit of aromat. Water, a little bit of fresh spring onion, a dash of soy sauce. When you see Manchurian, the soya quantity goes a little bit more in that. Take a little bit of corn flour, make a binding mixture for the Chinese sauces and the gravies. Just pour it gradually. We got our chicken balls out here. Let's pour these chicken balls in the sauce. And let these chicken balls simmer inside for at least 2 minutes. Once it simmer inside, it will get nice and cooked and juicy. To garnish with a little bit of more spring onions, gives it a nice taste. If you have a fresh coriander, you can even add in Manchurian. And there you go, your chicken Manchurian is ready to serve. We're going to serve it in the bowl. Garnish it with little spring onions, some freshly chopped coriander. Chicken Manchurian is ready to serve.